Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, reading po ito for Air Sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate for you. So, this is for Air Sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Let's start your reading. Personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader ha. Search mo lang siya sa Facebook, sa Messenger, ayan. Follow me on TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Madam P Vlogs, dyan lang sa TikTok at ako sa Madam P Vlogs magla-live. Madam P Vlogs sa YouTube po yan. So, let's start. This is for the sign of Air Sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay, you do have here the Six of Swords, Seven of Pentacles. You are focusing on your money. Nakikita natin currently move on ka sa maybe the moon. This could be your soulmate. Dahil might be may mga changes na nangyari sa inyo. Maybe it includes your family or like there's a family na nagiging dahilan para like maybe hindi mo mai-open or hindi mangyari itong connection mo with your person. Yeah, you're trying to focus on, yung iba sa inyo, you could be a plantita, plantito, may ganong energy ako nakukuha. Or maybe you love cooking. Okay, nakakita ko ng person na mahilig magluto, or alin man doon ha. Or you could be the person na mahilig sa halaman or natutuwa sa mga halaman, etc. Anyway, for what I can see here, you're currently moving on. Sino tong person nakakonect mo, Air Sign? Person nakakonect mo, Air Sign. Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Person nakakonect ni Air Sign. Pwede ka nakaka-relate. Pwedeng hindi para sa'yo ang reading ha. Ten of Pentacles and Nine of Wands. Okay, I can see a person here na pwedeng nagkakaroon ng problems sa kanyang finances. There's a lot of challenges here. Parang ang dami niyang kailangan pagkagastusan with the Nine of Cups. The star is here. This person really do likes you. Malaki ang pagkakagusto at pagmamahal sa inyo taong ito. Maybe minsan mo na siyang tinulungan sa buhay niya. This person might be a person na mahilig sa music or what. But I can see a relationship and problem pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon. Itong person na ito might be there's a marriage na involved sa inyo, and I feel like this person is not happy dito sa person na nakakonect niya, which is nagpapakita as the devil. There's maybe a marriage na involved, pwede rin namang wala, pwedeng pagsasama lang, but your person nare-realize niya that this is not what I want. It feels like I'm trapped dito sa situation na punong-puno ng problema. And I can see pregnancy here, so might be my child na involved, or maybe napikot kind of energy, and your person is really not happy with this. Now anyway, kunin natin yung connection. Anong meron sa connection na ito? By the way, sorry about my voice. Medyo nahirapan lang ako lakasan siya ngayon. But hopefully malinaw ako sa video. Malinaw ang boses. For your connection, anong meron sa connection na ito for our air sign, please? Okay. There's 2 cards na lumabas. Reconciliation. So, either may reconciliation na nangyayari sa inyo ngayon, or both of you wants the reconciliation to happen. Parehong gusto ninyo magkaroon ng reconciliation sa isa't isa. Gusto mo siyang makita, gusto ka rin niya makita. And I feel like we do have your passion, so there's a lot of love. Gusto ka niya makausap, gusto mo rin siyang makausap, pero I feel like someone here is acting cold. sa connection. So, might be na doon yung gusto mo siyang makausap or gusto kanyang makausap pero hindi masyadong pinapahalata na gusto kitang makausap. Parang ganun. But, kung may reconciliation na nangyayari or may pagre-return dito sa past life connection or past connection ninyo, might be yung marriage or yung wedding is still there, involved, nandun pa rin. But, new love, yeah, soulmate is here. So, you could be dealing with your soulmate or this new person. I feel like if yung bagong person nakakonect niya, I feel like nauna ka. Yun yung energy. And then yung sumunod na person na nakakonect niya might be the new person, pero doon niya na-realize na there's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. So, yung new person niya, nakikita natin na pwedeng may pikot na naganap or what. But na-realize ng person mo that I'm not attracted to this person. So, hindi siya attracted talaga doon. And that this person is really attracted to you. Okay? So, ano yung nasa isip niya at emotions niya towards you? You do have here the 8 of Cups. Okay, 8 of Wands. Okay, and at the bottom of the deck, this person is actually, nakikita natin na sa ngayon, I feel like hindi siya makagawa ng decision. Like, hindi siya makagawa ng decision regarding sa connection ninyo. This person is patiently waiting. Lagi ka lang niyang iniisip, no, na sana may relasyon sa atin, may connection sa atin. Or kung may another relationship, sana matapos tong relationship na to. So, ito yung nakikita natin na sa isip ng person na to. Although, hindi siya sigurado kung mangyayari yun with the 4 of Cups. But this person has a lot of passion and love for you. Medyo alam niya lang na medyo magiging mahirap yung connection ninyo. Pero, the love is really sobrang intense, sobrang ang daming regrets, ang daming pagsisisi nitong person na ito. And this person is manifesting the future, na sana sa future nandun ka. No? This 8 of Wands is sobrang nahihirapan talaga siya ngayon sa sitwasyon niya. So, I don't feel like yung love nandun na given eh. Pero hindi ito yung concentration niya ngayon kasi nga marami siyang problema, maraming pagsubok sa buhay niya. So, oo, mahal ka niya, pero dami niya kasing kailangan ayusin muna. Okay, so, how about you? Ano nasa isip mo at emotions mo towards this person, spirit guides, angel guides? Wait lang, guys. Okay, so for your side, you do have here the Knight of Cups and the Justice card. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Libra energy. You are actually honest pagdating sa emotions mo. So, I feel like mahal mo tong person na to. But, sa ngayon, yung realidad yung nakikita mo, okay, mahal kita, pero yung reality tayo eh. So, ngayon, nakafocus ka talaga sa mga, I feel like there's some kind of contract or, documents na parang kailangan mong asikasuhin soon na pwedeng in-offer sa'yo. And then now you are focusing on this. You want na maayos na ito. And I can see you receiving something like maybe a money. Nakikita natin na may matatanggap ka na pera with this Queen of Wands energy. Ano siya? Parang napakalaki ng impluwensya nitong taong ito sa buhay mo. Anyway, ano yung mutual energy dito sa row na ito, no? Kukunin naman natin yung mutual energy para sa inyo. Mutual energy is the separation. So yeah, you're having separation right now. yun ay dahil may mga kanya-kanya kayong mga pinagkakaabalahan sa ngayon na pwedeng, lalo sa side ng person mo, your person is the one na nakikita nating hindi ready. Okay? And, yeah, anyway, what will happen in the near future for hindi siya ready pero nandun yung pagkagising niya sa katotohanan because of this. These are like the red flags. Ngayon niya nakikita yung mga red flags. And gusto niya nang i-release itong person or kakonect niya ngayon. Ngayon niya nakikita yung mga katotohanan dito sa taong to. What will happen in the near future for you, air sign? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius for your person, air sign. Spirit guides, angel guides for air sign, please, for air sign. Person ni air sign and kay air sign's future. Okay, thank you, spirit guides. 8 of Wands, 5 of Wands, and the World. Why is the 5 of Wands here? Ace of Wands. I mean, someone here is kailangan babaan yung ego with regard sa family. I mean, pwedeng hindi ikaw. Maybe mga family na included sa connection na ito. I mean, sa side mo. Pwedeng may problem sa pamilya, may pag-aaway, may pagkakagulo dito in the near future. And someone here is open and close at the same time. Pwedeng in the near future, open siya regarding sa mga nasa isip niya, thoughts niya, ano sa palagay niya, ganyan. Pero close siya with regards sa pagtanggap, no? Sa kung ano yung sasabihin ng isa. So, nagkakaroon ng problema doon. The Queen of Swords is here, like, acting cold. This is someone na gusto niyang intindihin siya. And I feel like, medyo mahirap. Like, yung new beginning regarding dito sa family na bagay na ito is medyo magiging mahirap because pataasan ng ego yung nakikita natin. Okay, so that is for your future. I feel like this is not you, but rather yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Kasi nakikita natin, lumalabas ka dito as the Queen of Wands. Like, you are the one na parang kailangan tumulong, umagapay dito sa mga taong to. Like, ikaw yung kailangan pumalagitna. Because, medyo magulo eh. And ikaw yung nakakaintindi sa bawat side. So, in the near future, there's this problem, family problem na nakikita natin. So, how about for your person? King of Wands is here. So, like what I've told you, you are the Queen of Wands. Your person is the King of Wands. The 4 of Swords and the 8 of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, 2 of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Itong person na ito is medyo nakikita natin healing in the near future. Nakikita natin na marami siyang aayusin sa sarili niya. And I can see na pwedeng mas magfo-focus siya sa kanyang healing talaga, career, I mean, give this person time. No? Kasi I feel like soon enough, gagawa siya ng actions, but for now, hindi talaga siya ready. And in the near future, I feel like hindi pa rin. Pero, hindi pa kasi talaga siya handa. But, like, several months from now, nakakakita tayo ng pagkabuo, which is like, pwedeng magpakita yung, yung pagka-ready niya, 3rd to 4th month. Yeah, simula nang mapanood mo ito. So, 3rd to 4th month. Ganyan. So, possible kung nanonood ka nito ng mga November, so, mga first quarter ng next year, 2024. Okay. And mutual energy. Okay. Past life relationship and the reconciliation. So, like what I've told you, haharap sa'yo tong taong ito from the past in the near future. Sa time na ready na siya. For now, hindi siya ready. Kailangan niya ng healing. Kailangan niya ng pag-intindi, pang-unawa. And I feel like mas magiging spiritually developed itong person na to. Nagsisimula na yan ngayon. Nangyayari na yung pagkatuto or pagka-realize niya ng connection na ito. And you do have your love yourself first. This is like the main advice for you. You have to love yourself. You have to focus on yourself. You have to make the effort or make changes para sa iyong finances and career. Yung iba nag-okay na yung finances and career mo. Nakita natin dito, it's like a babaeng nagtatanim. So, the energy is like maybe a new beginning. Focus on this new beginning. Kasi nakikita natin na magbubunga ng maganda sa iyan. Okay, very soon. Once na tapos na yung problema, we do have your healing family issues, this is problem na pinagdadaanan nitong person na ito. And once na makapag-heal na siya sa problem niya, I can see na magiging playful, we do have your playfulness, and this person is going to shine in the near future. And yung word is shine dito sa dulo. So, it's like, yung shine is liwanag, magpapakita from darkness sa kadiliman na hindi mo makita yung person mo, hindi mo siya maano. In the near future, magpapakita siya sa'yo. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.